Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to talk about day trading, but more specifically, we're talking about gap trading. Gap trading is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy found across the markets today. What is gap trading? When stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open, generally from a news event or earnings announcement, we can identify price levels where stocks will A, be drawn to, and B, have a price reaction in the other direction. This is one of two strategies taught in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. I teach traders how to specifically identify the price levels where these stocks will have a price reaction in the other direction. Stocks gapping down will have a price reaction and we're buying a specific support level, or a stock gapping higher will have a resistance point and have a pullback from that level. Everything you're going to see in this video is taught in the course at LazyGapTrader.com. You can see an example at $22.45 on Juno Therapeutics. What you're looking at on the screen, you can see the horizontal line running across the screen. That was a buy level. That was an area where the stock would A, be drawn to, and B, have a price reaction in the other direction. What I also do is provide traders that want to get them my gap trading levels each and every day. So let's go ahead and take a look at the email that went out to subscribers this morning, and then we'll come back and pick apart some of these charts to see exactly what happened. Here's a copy of exactly what went to subscribers at 9 o'clock a.m., 30 minutes before the market opened. As you can see, we had 5 possible gap trades on the board today. Juno Therapeutics, that hit its level. You saw that one on the screen. We're going to look deeper into that stock in a second. We had LITE, that did not hit its level. When stocks don't hit their levels, they become a no trade. We only play stocks that hit the specific price levels as taught in the course. In the course, I teach you exactly how to calculate these specific price levels. The third one was Kroger. That did not hit its level. The fourth one is Monster Beverage. That did hit its level. We'll talk about that one specifically in a minute also. And the last one, JD.com, that did not hit its level, so it becomes a no trade. It's off the board as well. On Juno Therapeutics, I say gap lower. Support levels are $22.45. And then I give a secondary level at $21.51. Stop and profit target is about 25 to 50 cents. The other one that hit its level was Monster Beverage. It was a gap higher. Resistance levels are $48.07 and then $48.95. And I give a third level at $49.82. Stop and profit target is about 30 to 50 cents. Let's go back and pick apart a couple of the charts to see exactly what happened. So here's a 1-minute chart of Juno Therapeutics because I want to show you the detail of exactly what happened. The stock closed the prior trading day, which was yesterday, at 25.31, all the way up in this zone here. The stock was gapping down at the open, qualifying for a morning gap trade. And you can see here the stock opened and went lower, coming right into and piercing through the 22.45 level, and in the next minute of the day, making a high of $22.75 for the 30-cent scalp trade and 30-cent bounce that we were looking for based on the morning email that went out to subscribers before the market even opened. The stock came back in below the 22.45, but look what happened after that. The stock ripped higher and made a high so far for the day of 24.87. What a tremendous bounce off of a level given out before the market even opened. Folks, this is a wonderful opportunity to learn a strategy that works over and over and over again. Traders that wanted the quick scalp trade got their 30 cents or 20 cents or 25 cents or whatever they wanted out of it right away in the second minute of the day. And other traders that were willing to hold the stock got much more of a gain. That's the benefit of gap trading. These are specific price levels that provide very, very powerful level of support for the market. I teach traders how to calculate these levels in my course for themselves each and every day. Let's go over and take a look at the second trade that was active today, Monster Beverage. Here's a 10-minute chart of Monster, and you can see the price level at $48.07. The stock in the first 10 minutes of the day came close enough to the $48.07 where in my course I teach specifically what traders need to and not need to do with this stock because of how it traded. It's very important that traders understand when to take trades and when not to take trades. The stock came too close to the first level and then pulled back, and on the second upswing went through the first level all the way to the second level. Unfortunately, missing the second level by 1 penny. Up here you can see making a high of 48.94 and then pulling back. Now it's trading at 47.23. Even though this was a no trade, because of what I teach in my course on why this was a no trade, more importantly, you can see the power of these price levels. Even though the 48.07 didn't work, it was a no trade because it came too close. The second level missed by a penny, but you can see the power of these specific price levels. Sometimes we miss by a penny, and sometimes we get a $5 gain. Therefore, it's the power of the price levels that I teach in my course that is the opportunity for traders to learn a strategy where they can profit over and over again each and every day once they learn this strategy, and it's not that hard to learn. Folks, you have to come over to check out the course at lazygaptrader.com. I can teach you everything you need to know to trade the gaps successfully. I'm David Frost, lazygaptrader.com. Thanks for tuning in.